How to fix Snapchat support code SS06. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today I'll be showing you how you can fix Snapchat support code SS06 issue. Now there might be several different reasons. Now if you're encountering the Snapchat support code SS06, it usually indicates a login issue or a problem with the Snapchat account. Here are some steps how you can resolve this issue. First of all, you can check your internet connection. Ensure that you have a stable and active internet connection. Whether you're on a Wi-Fi or mobile data, a weak or an unstable connection can lead to this kind of login issue. Also, you can try switching your network. That is, you can either try logging from your mobile data or from a Wi-Fi. That also might be able to help you. Apart from it, you can also restart Snapchat. So what you can do is basically you can close Snapchat from all of your background application, and after that you can just restart it. And also you can check for an update. Not updating for a while can also be able to hamper this kind of issue. And sometimes it might not be the application that has an issue, but it might be the device that has an issue. So you can restart or reboot your device, and after that you can try logging into your account. That might be able to fix the issue. If nothing seems to be helping, then you can also clear cache as well as data. For that, long press on your Snapchat, go to I or app info icon, and then go to storage and cache. Click on clear cache as well as clear storage. After that, you might be logged out of your account. Ensure that you know your login credential. Once you've done that, this might be able to fix the issue all at once. Sometimes this kind of error occurs from the server itself, so you can also check the server, and you can just go to the official Twitter account or the server like the down detector, or to see if there is any widespread outage or not. Apart from it, you can also verify your login information. Ensure you're entering the correct username and a password. Make sure there are no typos or errors. If none of these seems to be working, then you can directly support the customer service team and they'll state about the issue. And apart from it, you can also reinstall your Snapchat and try logging into your account. That might also be able to fix the issue. Now, keeping this in mind that error code can change over time, so if you're encountering the SS06 error code, it's essential to follow the troubleshooting steps provided by Snapchat in their apps or on their supported website, as these steps may be updated to address specific issues. So in this way, you can fix your Snapchat error code SS06. That's it for this video. I hope the video was helpful. If it did really help you, make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.